In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your WordPress website link effectively and efficiently. Whether you're looking to drive more traffic, showcase your latest work, or simply spread the word about your brand, knowing how to share your website link is crucial. Let's start by ensuring you have the correct URL ready. First, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to your website's homepage. You can do this by clicking on the site icon or the View Site link, usually located in the upper left corner of your dashboard. Double-check the URL in your browser's address bar. This is the link you want to share, so it's important to make sure it's accurate and reflects the most current version of your site. Once your URL is verified, you'll need to decide where you want to share it. There are numerous platforms, each with its own unique audience and functionalities. For social media, platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are great places to start. For each of these, simply go to your profile and create a post. You can write a brief description or an enticing message about what visitors can expect to find on your site, then paste your URL into the post. Make sure to make the post engaging by adding visuals or call to action phrases that encourage your audience to click the link. If you're sharing your site via email, you can include the link in your email signature or within the body of your messages. Most email platforms allow you to create links that your recipients can just click on to visit your site. Highlight words such as "visit our website" or "explore here," then use your email's hyperlink feature to connect those words to your URL. This keeps your email looking clean and professional and helps guide the recipient right to your site. Another effective method is to engage in forums or online communities related to your niche. Share your link as part of helpful, relevant contributions to discussions, ensuring your participation adds value to the conversation. This is a more subtle approach to driving traffic and can establish you as a knowledgeable presence in your field. Finally, consider using a URL shortener to make your link more manageable and visually appealing, particularly on platforms that have character limits. Services like Bitly can help with this, providing not only a shorter link but also tracking analytics to see how well your link is performing across various platforms. By following these strategies, you'll be able to share your WordPress website link effectively, reach a wider audience, and potentially grow your website's traffic and engagement. Remember, the key is not only to share your link but to do so with intention and creativity, ensuring your content reaches the right people in the right places. Thank you for joining me today, and happy sharing!